Hi guys, I'm Gio.
I'm Rahel.
I'm Shinta.
In this video, we're gonna show you
A tutorial about makeup look for hangout. And this is our model.
Rahel.
Are you excited for this video?
Let's check this out.
Okay guys, in this video, we need foundation, powder, eyeshadow palette, blush on, eyeliner, small brush, big brush, beauty blender, and lipstick.
Before we start, don't forget to wash your face. First of all is foundation. Choose foundation that match with your skin color and blend it with your beauty blender. Second is powder. Apply powder in your face by using the brush and remember, don't use too much powder. The next one is eyeshadow. Apply eyeshadow by using small brush and choose the shade with natural color. For example, brown or gold. Next is eyeliner. Don't forget to use your eyeliner because eyeliner makes your eyes look bigger. And don't open your eyes before the eyeliner is dry. And for your cheeks, we use blush on. Choose pink color for your blush on and don't use too much blush on in your cheeks. Last but not least is lipstick. Use a little bit red lipstick and then blend with your fingers. And this is the final result.